Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to do a forecast for your ad campaigns. In this case, we're going to analyze one specific keyword and we're going to understand how to understand the scope, how to understand the reach of their budget, and how far can we go with the budget that we've got at this time, and how do we determine what is an optimized level of ad spend. And let's get started. So in this case, we're going to go to Tools and Keyword Planner. We're going to get search volume and forecast, and we can have code adjustable dumbbells, for example. We click save, and then we're just going to change this, for example, for the UK. We can include multiple locations in here if you do ship to other places. So that's like United States, for example, and Canada. There we go. So we add those locations and we will have that specific keyword with the average monthly searches and then a couple more attributes you can see in here. Okay, you can go all the way to forecast. You can go to all save keywords and click done in here, and then you will see that you've got both locations in here, and you've got a couple of estimates based on a £20 average daily budget. Okay, it's going to tell you that you're going to get about 19 clicks from it. So if from your data you know that you need to run 20 clicks, for example, to get one conversion, then you can start doing all your mathematics in here. But obviously you can adapt this to your budget. You could see that at optimal level at ad spend here can be calculated to £39 more or less, £36. Anything above that, it's going to be probably not as efficient as we wanted it to see. Okay, you could also add any conversion metrics in here to understand a little bit better of what's the effect of your budget. And then you can understand what's the scope, or how far can your budget go in terms of then reach. So you can see the impressions, the cost is going to be calculated, click-through rate, and obviously the average cost per click. So you analyze that the cost per click for the USA is far less than the UK, which is interesting to see. Obviously, there's other components in here that you can analyze, which is as well like mobile phones compared to computers. So what's the actual behavior in terms of conversions, cost, and clicks? And then you could also see here any patterns. Sometimes the graphics are a little bit better, but in this case, I would assume you can use metrics to understand patterns. So you would see that 25th of November usually is Black Friday, so you could see that it's the peak of this, then it goes down, and then Boxing Day and Christmas, then that is the next peak in here. It goes all the way down, and when summer and spring starts again, then it's going to pick up again. It also helps you to understand the trends inside the same Google Ads platform, which is great to understand. You would see that it let you change things like language, what bit strategy you want to put in place, what match type, if it's broad, if it's phrase or exact in here, and then add as many target locations as your business is surveyed at this point. There's other graphics like the distribution based on location, but this graphic, if you can't see it, you can just collapse it in here or just use the drop down menu here. You could eventually change it to impressions, cost, and any other things that you want to visualize more in here. This is how you could actually measure the impact of your budget and evaluate if you want to open up as well a new line of products. For example, if you are creating a new line of products in the adjustable dumbbells but you want to test things like yoga mats, then you can use this tool effectively to understand how efficient compared to what you are already serving to could be that new niche. Just as a reminder from this series of videos that we are creating, we also have opened up a couple of slots in the calendar. We'll leave the link in the description, so you can feel free to book a session with me or one of my team members, and I can go through all the marketing doubts that you've got. So we can talk about the implementation of AI on advertising for your business, or anything about your competitors you could actually use to get better results than they do. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, because that helps us massively to reach more audience like you and keep doing videos like this for business owners like yourself. Thank you.